Hey guys, this is the finished product. Just kind of.
It actually looks really good.
Oop! Don't do that. What are you doing? Have like little pieces of like really pale bubblegum colored hair, like right here, and then the rest is just kind of a darker pink.
Don't mind what I'm doing. We're just getting ready to color my hair.
Yep, we're getting ready to color hers.
Yeah, we won't be able to see it.
So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the bell icon for more notifications.
Don't forget to comment.
Yeah, if they want to comment.
Yeah, don't forget to comment if you liked the video, or just if you have any comments that you want to put on it, like she looks amazing, which she does, or what you do with whenever you color your hair, if you do, you know, stuff.
Okay. See you guys later.